Okay, we're back again. Got a lot of things painted up now, extra stuff. A lot of things done on the machine. I was going to show you here. First, now I got this thing upside down, but I'm just going to show you the bottom here. Of course, you'll never get to see that again. It came out pretty nice. Pretty straight machine in general. I got all the suspension and everything in already. Or the track, I don't have the suspension in. I got that up there. I just got back from Alec, got everything all powder coated. And I'm going to put that together, put it in today. Just wanted to get a shot of how this stuff came out. This was a gloss powder coating. And the pipes got powder coated. They look very nice. Kind of dirty. Just got it back. I'll show those at a future time. Got the seat back. Get a shot of that here. What we did was put the insert in, left the sides. The side is the actual original seat, the original vinyl. The new piping and then the insert put in. See, the hood is, get a closer look at the hood here because I did a lot of work to the hood, fixing things up. Not to the painting stage yet. Soon. Okay, now what I'm going to do is put the suspension in, and I think there's anything else to see here. I got the skis in. Well, you can see kind of down there how nice everything came out there, but I'll show you that when I get it tipped back up again. So, I'll be back. Okay, now I got the suspension in. It isn't tightened up yet, but I wanted to take a shot of the machine before we put the motor in. Tough to see now because she's really dirty, but get an idea how everything went together. Very tough to see. A bright day today. Won't have the skis for a couple days yet, but we're gonna take a shot after we get the skis and take a look at it. So I'm gonna take a look again after the motor and skis are on. We'll check in then.
What do you get when you put to...
Well, okay, now we got a little bit farther here. I'll show you a little bit more. There's the skis. It's real dirty right now, but I wanted to get some pictures before I got any farther. Got the motor in, most of the wiring done. You can see I haven't got the plugs in or carbs in or anything yet. course, the gauges. Notice all the mileage on that. 1.2 it shows. I gotta work on getting the pipes hooked up and the carbs on and fire it up and get it running. Yes, that is dust on the side. We'll have her cleaned up and on the videotape again later, but for now, that's all we can do. Those are our new chrome skis. Alright. Well, we'll take a picture of it again here shortly when I get a little farther. Well, I wanted to real quick show the hood before I went and painted it. I haven't even sealed it yet, but kind of get an idea how much work I had to do from earlier shots. It's ready to be sealed now, and I had to cut the holes and fill around that grill. If you remember from the older shots up here where the headlight was, that was all open. I had to fill all that in. Who knows how it'll come out? I haven't even thought much about it, but the way it looks, it should be okay. I'm putting a flex coat in it so that the paint can stretch around the hood. Hopefully it'll keep everything from cracking and falling off, but you never know. Paint usually comes out pretty good, but I'm certainly no pro. And for future reference, the sealer, we're using this for a clear. This is just a generic urethane clear. We're using the 7175S base maker because it's kind of cold right now. Here's the white we'll be using. It's a 5338K Alt 1. Black will be the same black we used on the tank and bumpers. 99K black coat. It actually has a little metallic in it, so it makes it shine real nice. There's the flex coat that we're adding. Okay, one more view of this thing. Probably the next time I'm on camera, that'll be all done. The machine itself's all done. I did have it running, had it fired up about a week ago, but I was trying to be a little conservative and make sure everything was rich, and it certainly was rich. It was so rich it was blowing gas out. You can see the gas laying there. It was coming out the pipes. It was running so rich. So I've got to put some more or leaner jets in there, and after that I think it'll run fine. I got to lean the pilots and the mains out. Alright. Well, till the next time.